Hey there, and check out the PowerXL Boost Blender with incredible 800-watt peak ice crushing power. This machine features unique blade boost technology that breaks through air pockets to circulate ingredients. You get 4 versatile speeds and 2 pulse settings for complete control in your kitchen. High-performance, stainless steel blades spin at over 100 miles per hour to pulverize anything. Create your favorite frozen drinks and smoothies with absolute ease every single time. Upgrade your blending experience today with this powerful and reliable appliance. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.